Hello, my dear. Welcome to PS tutorial. Today we watch how to convert number to text without any Excel formula. We prepared a Excel sheet and save this sheet to desktop. Open your internet browser. We use Google Chrome. Now open Google Sheet Form Google Apps icon. From File tab now we open with Upload button from our desktop of our Excel file. Now we click Extensions menu to add-ons and click to get add-ons. Then search number text and install this add-ons to your Excel sheet. Now click in word cell and type equal number text and select value cell. Now close the bracket and press enter button. Hope this video will help you to your daily work. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Please share this video with your friends and please comment how was this video.